Welcome back, y'all. Today's video is featuring WIGNEE. This is a few things that they sent me with the wig. They sent a pair of lashes, a wig cap, this paddle brush, and also these rubber bands. Okay, now, so this is just a close-up on the lace. The lace is very pale. Obviously, I'm gonna need to bleach the knots and probably tint the lace as well. The inside of the wig cap has about 4 combs in it and also an adjuster. Okay, so now I'm just showing y'all the wig's curl pattern. The pattern is an Indian loose deep. I absolutely love this curl pattern. I didn't know, I thought it was like deep wave or something. It's loose deep. I love it, y'all. The link will be in the description. Y'all about to see how cute this is gonna be. I absolutely love this texture. Super soft, barely any shedding. Definitely check it out if you're looking for a loose deep texture. Okay, so I'm back from bleaching the knots and everything like that. This is how the hair looks after it being washed. Now, I didn't wash the whole wig, more so just the top. So this is the part that I washed. As y'all can see, like the little curls, the waves, they did fall a little bit. So I am guessing that it might fall a little bit after you wash it. Y'all know I'm doing the handy dandy wig cap method. I mean wig grip method. I always call it a wig cap. This is good for if you don't know how to braid, you don't want to do the ball cap method. Get you a wig grip. It helps the wig stay secure. This wig ain't never fell off my head. Well, no wig. This wig grip really works. Y'all should definitely try it. I will leave the link in the description. I got it off of Amazon. All right, let's put this on. These wig hairlines be so weird. Okay, so this is pretty much the hairline, right? I was gonna do a middle part, but the hairline over here is different from it over here, you know? Like, I feel like this side goes further back if this side does not. We're gonna see what it's giving. All right, as y'all can see, I got my handy dandy little tweezers and I'm attempting to pluck this thick hairline because the other side of the wig gives more of a natural hairline, even though it does go like a little far back. But the side that I attempted to pluck is just a straight hairline. It's giving lace front circa 2009 and I'm not feeling it. So yeah, I'm attempting to pluck it now. Okay, so this is like my, what, third middle part try. I really feel like I gotta perfect the middle part because they do look a little wiggy. I think it's the baby hairs. Let me see. Let me see if I can fix it. That's cuter. That's cuter. In person, it is giving scalp. I don't know what it's giving on camera. I'm gonna have to wait until I wash it back. I mean, watch it back. I'm talking about wash it back. It's really cute. Okay, so the lace quality is really good. Now, y'all seen how pale the lace was when I first got it. I sprayed it with this. And then I took my NARS concealer in the shade Amade. I think that's how you say it. And I went in with it with this brush, like right here, just a little bit too. I only used a little bit, and then you see me do the scalp right there with my right tail comb. So that's basically it. That's basically all I did to like melt it. And I feel like it gave a real good melt. It did better than I expected. It's hair everywhere. It's hair everywhere. I really feel like this middle part came out real cute. And look how simple it was. I ain't do nothing. Y'all seen the whole process of me cutting my baby hairs and everything like that. I barely did a thing. And the hair, let's get into the hair. The hair quality is excellent. Now, I did, like in the front, this is the hair texture when it drops. So I feel like it's gonna be more of a water wave when you wash it. But the hair texture, just like straight out the box, that's this right here. Real cute. And I love it. Let me flip it a little bit more. I like that like flip look. Maybe I should use my straightener. You know, that little look in the front, that is so cute to me. So you can like really see your baby hairs, but it's not showing too much baby hair. I don't know. Y'all see it? I kind of messed it up. It do better with a straightener. Y'all, hold up, cause I've been playing in my hair. Hold up, this came out way better than I expected. This hair, I'm in love with this hair. It's just, do y'all see? Is this water wet? Y'all, I'm gonna have all the details about the hair you already know in the description. But I really need to double check like the texture of this hair, because this is it. Hey guys, for some people, this might be mediocre or whatever, but as a beginner myself, using a wig grip, not the ball cap method, this didn't even take like 45 minutes. This took a good like 25 to 30 minutes, only because I had to play with the baby hairs a lot. But if you're pretty experienced, then this might take you less time. But if you're a beginner like me, about 25 minutes, you know, because I didn't do much. I slicked my hair back into a ponytail and half of my head is already braided. Put the wig grip on, put the cap on. Y'all, stop playing with Let me find out. I'm finna be a wig expert. And no, I didn't lay it all around. If I was like going out or something, of course I would lay it down all around, like melt the full entire perimeter of the lace to my face or my head. But I didn't do that right now because I was like, you know what, I'm finna do this wig video right quick now and take it off. I'm finna go to the store just like this. This is so cute. Check it. Check it out, like really check it out. I melted that lace good. What? I use this to melt the lace, by the way. Even. This was simple. The only thing that got me was the little baby hairs, but I done got that together as much as I could, you know what I'm saying? If I played with it a little more, I think I could have did better. But for the amount of time that it took to get this like hairstyle, melt the lace and the baby hair, I feel like this came out amazing. I'm still a beginner. I don't do all that extra stuff that the other YouTube girlies be doing, but look at the results though. I really love this. I can't stop looking in the mirror, I'm sorry. Anyway, guys, that's pretty much it for this video. If you like this video, definitely give it a thumbs up. Leave me a comment and don't forget to hit that subscribe button on your way out. Like I said before, I will have all of the details for this wig in the description box below. And yeah, thank you for going on this little ride with me. Hopefully, next time you get your little wig and we do our wig together, okay? Especially if you're a beginner. Y'all, we finna be a pro at this in a hot minute. Just wait on it. Cause what? I'm not gonna drag it. I'm not gonna drag this video out. I'm gonna see y'all in my next one. Bye.